signal analysis plus emotion analysis working together, intelligent entry strategy precisely determines the perfect entry timing. Hello everyone, welcome to the Inventor Strategy Analysis channel. We focus on uncovering those crypto trading strategies that have truly been tested by the market. The biggest headache with traditional strategies: false breakout traps, technical signals appear. You jump in immediately, completely ignoring whether market sentiment is backing you up. Result? You get slapped around at key resistance levels over and over again. The bigger problem is this: single technical indicators struggle to judge whether trend signals are real. They lack emotional verification from the market, so fake signals mislead you constantly. Today we are breaking down an intelligent entry strategy. Its core innovation cleverly optimizes the entry game rules. Through technical and emotional double confirmation, plus an intelligent weighting mechanism, this strategy can actually read the market's true intentions. It filters out fake signals while not missing those delayed but real opportunities. The intelligent entry strategy uses a two-layer design. The bottom layer combines short-period and long-period WMA to create a trend identification system that captures basic technical signals. The top layer is an IFTCI emotion filter. Through inverse Fisher transformation, it optimizes the traditional CCI indicator into a precise market sentiment judgment tool. Here is the core innovation: the intelligent entry mechanism. When WMA generates a crossover signal, the system does not blindly enter. Instead, it checks if IFTCI reaches the emotional confirmation threshold. If both conditions are met simultaneously, immediate entry. If the technical signal appears but emotional conditions are not met, the system enters intelligent weighting mode. Once emotional indicators align in subsequent bars and trend direction stays consistent, it automatically triggers delayed entry. This design avoids false breakout traps while capturing high-quality delayed opportunities. Risk management uses dynamic trailing profit combined with fixed stop loss, maximizing trend profits while strictly controlling single trade risk. Parameter configuration reflects careful consideration of intelligent trading systems. CCI length controls the time window for emotion sensing, affecting how sensitive the system is to market sentiment changes. This directly relates to whether we can timely capture key moments of emotional shifts. WMA length determines the smoothness of emotional data, finding balance between noise filtering and signal timeliness. Risk management parameters are designed around intelligent entry logic. Profit percent sets the profit threshold to start tracking trailing stops. Pullback percent controls the retracement tolerance for triggering profit taking. Max loss percent limits the maximum acceptable single trade loss. These parameters need personalized adjustment based on the volatility characteristics of trading instruments and individual risk preferences to fully unleash the effectiveness of the intelligent entry system. Indicator construction is the technical foundation of the entire intelligent system. WMA chooses weighted calculation over simple averaging. By giving higher weight to recent prices, it improves trend capture timeliness, providing a more sensitive technical foundation for subsequent emotional verification. The IFTCI construction process shows mathematical modeling excellence. CCI standardization preprocessing ensures values are suitable for subsequent transformation. WMA smoothing reduces random fluctuation interference while maintaining response speed. Inverse Fisher transformation is the mathematical core of the entire system. Through exponential function nonlinear characteristics, it compresses CCI to a range of -1 to 1, making emotional state boundaries extremely clear. The key value of this transformation: when indicators approach extreme values, tiny emotional changes get significantly amplified, providing precise emotional transition signals. Filter condition threshold settings are based on extensive empirical analysis. 0.5 and -0.5 are optimal boundaries that effectively distinguish emo strength states. The state variable system establishes complete trading state tracking mechanisms. Entry price records opening price for profit and loss calculations. Highest price and lowest price track price extremes for trailing stops. Active position manages current position status to prevent logic confusion. Long ready and short ready form the core of the intelligent weighting mechanism. When technical signals appear, but emotional conditions are not met, ready states activate, waiting for subsequent emotional confirmation to execute delayed entry, providing comprehensive information support for intelligent decisions. Signal generation defines the strategy's basic technical signal identification logic. The WMA crossover system captures key moments of trend transitions by comparing current period and previous period fast and slow line relationships. Long signal trigger condition: fast line currently above slow line and previous period below slow line. This indicates trend is shifting from bearish to bullish. Short signals are opposite. Fast line crosses from above to below slow line, showing trend is turning bearish. This design ensures signal timeliness and clarity. The application of bar state. is confirmed is an important part of signal quality control. It ensures signals are only confirmed after bars completely close, avoiding intraday false breakout interference. These basic signals provide technical analysis basis for subsequent intelligent entry systems. But note, these signals themselves do not directly trigger trades. They need further verification through emotional filters before final execution. Long entry logic embodies the core design philosophy of the intelligent entry system. When detecting long technical signals but emotional conditions are not met, the system does not miss opportunities. Instead, it activates long ready preparation state, entering intelligent waiting mode. This design avoids the binary choice dilemma of traditional strategies, either enter immediately or miss completely. When technical and emotional conditions are fully synchronized, the system executes perfect immediate entry. When there is already a preparation state and emotional conditions are met in subsequent bars, the system executes delayed entry. Intelligent state management is an important guarantee of system robustness. After successful entry, long ready state resets, preventing duplicate entries. More crucially, when trends reverse fast line returns below slow line, the system actively cancels invalid long preparation states, avoiding ineffective waiting in wrong directions. Short entry mechanism is completely symmetrical with long logic, ensuring consistent strategy performance in bidirectional markets. The system also uses layered decision-making. First check technical signal validity, then verify emotional condition cooperation. This design is particularly suitable for complex environments at market tops, avoiding the risk of being hurt by rebounds from premature short selling. Long exit management uses a dual protection mechanism. Trailing stops track maximum trend gains. Fixed stops control downside risk boundaries. The system continuously tracks the highest price during holding periods, calculating real-time profit ratios and retracement magnitudes. When profits reach preset targets and sufficient retracement appears, trailing stops trigger, ensuring most profits are protected. For positions that have not reached trailing stop conditions, fixed stops provide final risk control, preventing single trade losses from exceeding acceptable ranges. This layered exit design can fully enjoy trend gains from high-quality signals while cutting losses quickly when judgments are wrong. Short exit logic is completely symmetrical with long logic, but reflects the special nature of short selling and calculation methods. This symmetrical design ensures strategy consistency and reliability during long-short transitions. The visualization system is specifically optimized to display intelligent decision processes. Main chart WMA lines show trend background through color changes, providing traders with macro-directional judgment. Crossover point labels mark technical signal generation moments. These are starting points where the intelligent system begins working. The subplot IFT-CI panel is the core of the entire visualization. Purple curve fluctuations show real-time market sentiment changes, while red-green threshold lines clearly mark critical points of emotional confirmation. When indicators touch these boundaries, that is when trend signals activate. The intelligent entry mechanism shows unique adaptive performance in different market environments. Ranging markets are its best performance stage. At this time, markets are filled with frequent technical breakouts, but most lack sustainability. The dual verification mechanism can precisely identify those breakout signals that truly have continuation potential. In early trend stages, when technical aspects begin showing directionality but market participant emotions remain hesitant, the intelligent waiting function avoids premature entry risks, ensuring participation only after trends get emotional confirmation. At key turning points between bull and bear markets, traditional strategies easily get consumed in repeated oscillations, while intelligent entry significantly reduces the frequency of such consumptive trades through emotional filtering. Application risks to watch include, in high volatility environments, emotional indicator lag effects may cause missing fast opportunities, requiring dynamic sensitivity parameter adjustments. In event-driven unidirectional markets, technical and emotional aspects may experience short-term divergence, suggesting combining fundamental analysis for manual judgment. Advanced applications include multi-time frame verification to improve signal reliability and enhancing emotional confirmation weight near key price levels. From strict quantitative standards, this strategy achieves substantial breakthroughs within traditional frameworks. Strategy completeness scores high. The intelligent entry system establishes complete processes from signal identification to execution confirmation, but still has room for improvement in dynamic money management. Risk control performs robustly. Profit and loss mechanisms work well with intelligent entry high-quality characteristics, though fixed parameters lack flexibility during dramatic market state changes. Adaptability is its core competitive advantage. Dual verification mechanisms perform excellently in complex market environments, but have certain limitations responding to ultra-fast markets. Understandability rates well, despite involving complex mathematical transformations. Overall logic is clear and easy to understand, beneficial for practical application promotion. Innovation scores highest. Intelligent entry and delayed confirmation mechanisms bring new thinking to technical analysis fields. While not revolutionary breakthroughs, they have clear practical value. Regarding actual performance, it can effectively improve trading quality and reduce ineffective operations, but needs parameter optimization based on specific market characteristics. Overall, this is an excellent strategy that achieves intelligent upgrades on traditional foundations, providing beneficial exploration for quantitative trading development.